does it feel like?
Just look at my hands. All done. Done? Delicious.
Do you want to be energized for a bit?
I think it's a good time because I'm super sleepy.
It's also.
Cheers. Cheers to living, freedom, and happy.
Yeah.
Blissfully. Cheers.
Cheers.
Amen.
Thank you, Mama. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna eat this. Yum. Love it. Look at this place.
Oh, they have dessert too.
We just left one restaurant and we're looking for dinner.
Wait, they have vegan dessert.
And we're gonna eat some vegan chocolate before we go to dinner while in the parking lot of another restaurant.
We're such foodies.
Oh my god. All vegan, all sugar-free, gluten-free. So I'm just gonna take a bite.
What is this, a food show?
Mm-hmm.
Tell us what it tastes like.
It tastes earthy, and the seeds are really crunchy. And the goji berries are a little
I wonder
chewy.
if this is that guy.
He has your number?
I don't know how he went. Hello? Oh, hi. What was the name of the place again? Yes. I was just curious if you had any availability tomorrow and how
This
does
is the
it work?
best chocolate I've ever had.
They make it in-house.
Wow.
So weird.
We're eating authentic Mexican food on the floor because we're kindergarten best friends.
We didn't get knives.
Yummy.
Do you eat this with your hand?
No, I wouldn't.
Is this meat? Or mushrooms?
Mushrooms. This is very good.
It's spicy.
Spicy. We love Sedona.
We love Sedona.
She was the only person at the Mexican place besides the owner and the owner's family that spoke Spanish.
You always need a Latina in your group of friends. I love
Everyone was white and they were just like, who's this bitch? And I was just like, I'm getting coconut water.
I just appreciate different people.
Hello. So now we're holding hands. We're holding hands.
This is my kindergarten love.
We're going to the mountains.
I feel like I'm the mom.
Mommy Kathy.
Wait, did he say it was that way?
Yeah. Look at these hands.
I used to think that I love the beach and the jungle the most. And I always knew I cared for mountains, but I am feeling like the mountains are calling me. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look, stop. Okay. Pomegranate time.
I don't want to be naked.
She's wet. She's very juicy. My hands are stained. Jess wants to be naked. I want to be naked. I feel like
It's fucking hot.
I feel like we just all want to be naked. And look at the dates and then I think yeah. So they're going to rest at a little spot that we found, and I'm gonna keep going up because I want to see what's up here. So I'm excited, so excited. Me in rocks. Okay, so I'm walking back to Carolina and Jess. I didn't get to the top, but I got pretty close, and I met some people and they showed me their trail map, and it said that the trail would end in like 2 and something miles, and I did that and the trail kept going, and I was like, my friends are waiting. So but it's been a really beautiful day. I've seen such amazing things, and at the end of the day, it's not about like getting to the top of the mountain. I know that sounds so cliche, but it really is a journey, and it's been a beautiful one. I've met a lot of plants. I met so many plant friends. I'll take a picture. And so many, like, seeing little animals. It's a really beautiful place. I didn't know I loved the desert this much, but guess what? I do. I love it so much. I got my picture.
Just books of little hush stories and stuff.
Look at this.
Like enjoy chocolate and kisses and love.
You want more?
Oh baby.
Oh baby.
Coconut.
Good morning from beautiful, beautiful Sedona. I just finished my morning practice and this little cute Airbnb. I look so dry. It's a mountain air, the desert mountain air. Anyway, this cute B&B, bed and breakfast, not Airbnb, that I'm staying in is called the Whispering Creek Bed and Breakfast. And the menu that I showed you guys that I filled out last night, I just want something simple for breakfast, something really light, because early in the morning, like, fruit is really what my body wants. And yeah, so I wrote that on the menu, and I just met one of the owners, Cheryl, who's super sweet, and she brought me this breakfast. So I have a green juice here, a green smoothie, and I have some cut up fruit, all these berries, and then she brought me this homemade muffin. I might save that for later, give that to one of my friends, but this is where it's at. And I'm just gonna chill, continue to wake up and enjoy my little terrace, my little robe and journal, and just continue showing myself love, you know. If you have a short torso, the 9-year-old boy section is always the best. I'm not even kidding. Or else you just have long shirts, or you have to cut them. Okay.
We need socks because Sedona's breaking.
What are those? Same. Oh.
Oh, jacket. These are the jackets that we need. Oh.
This is beautiful. I love this one.
Oh, you know what I want to buy?
We're not even. Oh, this is medium.
I want to get denim jackets and like put stuff on them.
Oh, like put patches on them?
Yeah.
Okay.
So which ones? Uno?
This is very you.
I like these, but I don't like the square on the feet.
You're gonna have to adapt.
Can you hold the socks? Wait, so like there's chairs for a reason. Oh, yeah. Too bad you can't see my face.
Look at this jacket. I like it. Look at this embroidery. It's so warm. I had a jacket like this a few years ago and it's bringing me back. Look at this.
We want to remind you that we are continuing to do everything we can to keep health and safety our top priority. We are taking many precautions in our stores and donation areas to help keep our customers safe. Learn more about
Stop, I need to pee. Unleash Annabelle.
We have to get happy. We're two hyper children.
That they have a thing to pull.
I feel like this is made for a child.
These are children's. These are for children.
So they fit you
This
very
is like
well.
the most intense Christmas ever. Like, Mom! Mom, get my foot off.
It's like a little sporty spice.
Oh, yeah, I feel that.
Stay-at-home mom
Yeah.
and farmer.
Yes. Let me get in there.
Bam.
Oh.
Look how dirty.
Hashtag fashion. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, work. Oh. Oh.
What does it feel like?
Just look at my hands.
Show me the hands.
They're full. They're good. I'm over it. It's not working.
Oh my goodness. You make me like... It's hard to breathe.
It is hard to breathe too. Okay, are we done? I'm done. Are we done?
Look at these mountains. Look at these mountains. Look at these mountains. I was eating a lot of nuts.
Are you gonna pay attention?
Yeah. I'm the navigator too. It's
The
111.
photographer and the navigator, the filmmaker.
This is where we're having our shoot.
Did you eat some of these?
No. We got a lot of snacks, guys. We're snacking hard. Energy. It's your energy. Your inner gangsta. That's your energy. Remember that. Peace. We literally almost fell on our asses. This is so beautiful. Hell yeah.